Would you like to know what your Haitian colleagues are talking about? Come learn with Dr. Les and Company some useful Haitian Creole expressions, and before long, you'll shock the heck out of them all. Don't forget to subscribe to this Haitian Creole channel, and like it, to receive all of our new videos. Thanks again for learning Creole with us.
Some useful Haitian Creole expressions. 5. What's your favorite color? Red.
Ki couleur ou pi reme? Rouge.
Ki couleur ou pi reme? Rouge. 2. What color do you like to wear the most? Blue.
Ki couleur ou reme mette plis? Bleu.
Ki couleur ou reme mette plis? Bleu. 3. What color is your car? Silver.
Ki couleur machine ou ye? Argent.
Ki couleur machine ou ye? Argent. 4. What is your favorite color to paint your room? White.
Ki couleur ou pi reme pou pentire chamou? Blanc.
Ki couleur ou pi reme pou pentire chamou? Blanc. 5. What is the color of your eyes? Brown.
Ki couleur zye ou yo? Marron.
Ki couleur zye ou yo? Marron. 6. What color is your hair? Black.
Ki couleur cheve ou? Noir.
Ki couleur cheve ou? Noir. 7. What color do you think is the most relaxing? Green. 7. What color do you think is the most relaxing? Green.
Ki couleur ou pense ki pi fè ou detan? Vert.
Ki couleur ou pense ki pi fè ou detan? Vert. 8. What color do you associate with happiness? Yellow.
Ki couleur ou asosye a contentement? Jaune.
Ki couleur ou associé à contentement? Jaune. 9. What color do you associate with sadness? Gray.
Ki couleur ou asosye a tristesse? Gris.
Ki couleur ou pi associé à tristesse? Gris. 10. What color do you associate with love? Pink.
Ki couleur ou asosye ak l'amour? Rose.
Ki couleur ou associé ak l'amour? Rose. 11. What color do you associate with anger? Red.
Ki couleur ou asosye ak colère? Rouge.
Ki couleur ou associé ak colère? Rouge. 12. What color do you associate with peace? Blue.
Ki couleur ou asosye ak la paix? Bleu.
Ki couleur ou associé ak la paix? Bleu. 13. What color do you associate with energy? Orange.
Ki couleur ou asosye ak énergie? Orange.
Ki couleur ou associé ak énergie? Orange. 14. What color do you associate with calmness? Purple.
Ki couleur ou asosye ak calme? Mauve.
Ki couleur ou associé ak calme? Mauve. 15. What color do you associate with creativity? Green.
Ki couleur ou asosye ak créativité? Vert.
Ki couleur ou associé ak créativité? Vert. 16. What color do you associate with power? Black.
Ki couleur ou asosye ak pouvoir? Noir.
Ki couleur ou associé ak pouvoir? Noir. 17. What color do you associate with wealth? Gold.
Ki couleur ou asosye ak richesse? L'or.
Ki couleur ou associé ak richesse? L'or. 18. What color do you associate with the ocean? Blue.
Ki couleur ou associé ak océan? Bleu.
Ki couleur ou associé ak océan? Bleu. 19. What color do you associate with the sky? Blue.
Ki couleur ou associé ak ciel la? Bleu.
Ki couleur ou associé ak ciel la? Bleu. 20. What color do you associate with nature? Green.
Ki couleur ou associé ak la nati? Vert.
Ki couleur ou associé ak la nati? Vert.
We thank you for watching that short Haitian Creole video. Come back often to learn with us, or better yet, subscribe to our channel to always know whenever we have new videos for you. It costs you nothing to encourage us to keep us around longer. Thank you. You guys are simply awesome. Go surprise them with your beautiful Creole.